Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a trading recap on the trade I took on ES. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for coming to our video and on our channel. Um, we are going to be doing market recaps. For me, it's going to be Monday through Thursday, depending on if I trade, depending on news, everything like that. My business partner will also be taking trades, I think, Monday through Friday. So I want to hear your guys' thoughts down below in the comments on what your guys' trading journey has been like. Mine has been incredible, even though it's taken a long time to finally get to this position where I'm actually becoming profitable. Um, so yeah, let's jump right into it. We're gonna show first and foremost that the proof that I actually did take this trade. We can see right here, I took about half position of my full position. So I took half off at 1 TP and then my other half. So let's break down this trade. So if we look at this trade, my system works in a way where I mark out both Asian and London session. Um, my bias for the day was I wanted to see price reverse come to this opening gap, but it did not give us that confirmation that it was going to be bullish for the day. As we can see, we did have an inverse fair value gap here, confirming that it was going to be bullish, and we also did break a structure on ES. What I wanted to see was more a bigger push and then retrace. We didn't get that, and so in turn, I looked and saw that NQ created a higher low while ES created a higher high. From there, we confirmed it with this bearish candle, which means that there's an SMT at those highs, and I considered this push up to be a liquidity sweep of this 5-minute high. From there, once this was confirmed, I scaled down to the 1 minute. The reason why I took it on ES, most times I trade on NQ, was because this was the lacking pair since it created the higher high. From there, let's see. So from there, we had that big push, which I took this trade right at macro open, which was at 950. I entered about 951 once we got this bearish confirmation out this 1 minute fair value gap. I want to see when I'm entering a trade both the 5-minute most times to be bearish as well as the 1 minute. So we had this 1 minute break of structure right here on this candle. Mark this red. We had this break of structure, and we see price remain bearish up until this fair value gap, and right at 951 we had a big push down. I decided to enter instead of waiting for another retrace because the way the price was moving, I honestly thought that I wasn't going to be able to get into the trade if I didn't enter right there. So I entered there, put stops above the highs. This retrace up, I was low-key panicking. Luckily for this fair value gap that we had, and we created bearish confirmation out of it. Thankfully, it saved me with my emotions. I really thought about down here once price started reversing, either going to break even. And you know what? I told myself I got to stick to my plan, let things ride out. From there, we see this retrace into this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and then we completely dump to these lows here, which was TP1. And then with top step, there's a 50% consistency rule, so I'm doing a 50K, so max profit I can take is 1500. I've had it happen before where I've taken more than 1500 and had to take a loss so I could get below that 1500 or at 1500. So I wasn't trying to have that happen. So from there, when I took half position out, I knew it was going to be about 600, 700. Price kept pushing pretty decently, so I just figured I might as well get out of this trade, take my profits for the day, and that way I don't go over that consistency rule and have to scram to figure out how to lose money, basically. So one thing that I want to talk about is making sure that your psychology is on point. This technical analysis stuff you can learn through various YouTube videos. And psychology is not really taught. Psychology, you have to just get experience in the market and have to stick to your plan. At the end of the day, my biggest concern right now with me is getting my psychology to the point where this means nothing to me. Like this money, this risk that I'm taking means nothing. Um, so yeah, that's where I'm at as a trader. Um, I would like to also know your guys' thoughts on your psychology down below in the comments. If you guys want to join my business partners Discord and join a community of like-minded people, that's going to be in the description down below. Also, all my social medias will be down below. And this is CV Trades from Vander Academy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.